Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hope you are doing well. I am Miss Sabiha, your maths teacher. Today I will teach you the topic multiplication from page 9 and 10 of your countdown book. In previous classes we have to learn to multiply up to 5 digits number up to 3 digit number. Now in this class we will learn to multiply 6 digit numbers. Multiplication is one of the 4 elementary mathematical operations of arithmetic. Let us see what happens when we multiply a 6 digit number by 10, 100 and 1000. In example, we have a 6 digit number 346,512. We multiply this number by 10, 100 and 1000 and let's see the results. When we multiply 346,512 with 10, the answer is 3,465,120. Now compare the question with answer. As 10 has 1 zeros, we just add 1 zero on the right side of the number. Hence, we just place 1 zero to the right side of the given number and number move 1 column to the left. Next, we multiply the same number with 100. The answer is 34,651,200. We place 2 zeros on the right side of the given number and the number move 2 column to the left. Then we multiply the same number with 1000. We get the answer 346,512,000. Here as above, place 3 zeros to the right side of the number and the number move 3 columns to the left. So, above example, what we have learnt? We have learnt that when we multiply a number by 10, we move that number 1 column to the left and fill the blank with 1 zero. As you can see in your image. In previous example, I have taken same number to multiply with 10, 100 and 1000. But now here, concluding the above concept of multiplying with 10, 100 and 1000, I have taken different example with key points accordingly. So you can see in your image. When we multiply a number by 100, we move that number 2 columns to the left and fill 2 zeros. As you can see on your screen, 148,305 multiplied by 100. We got the answer 14,830,500. In image you can see we place 2 zeros at the end of the number. Similarly, when we multiply a number by 1000, we move the number 3 columns to the left, filling in 3 zeros. As you can see on the image on your screen, the number 420,590 multiplied by 1000 and you got the answer 420,590,000. Now we move multiplication of numbers up to 6 digit numbers with 2 digit and 3 digit numbers. Here we have to multiply 532,615 with 23. First of all, as you have learned from previous classes, you should know, dear students, the number which is to be multiplied is called multiplicand. The number which is to be multiplied is called multiplicand. And the number by which it is multiplied is called multiplier. And the answer or result we got is called product. So you can see in this question 532,615 is multiplicand and 23 is multiplier. Now we start the multiplication. We have write these values vertically. We start the multiplication in first step with 3 as 3 at 3 at unit place of multiplier. We always start unit place of multiplier. So we start with 3. 3 5s are 15. 5, 1 will be carry. 3 1s are 3 plus 1, 4. 3 6 are 18. We will write 8, 1 will be carry. 3 2s are 6 plus 1 will be 7. 3 3s are 9 and 3 5s are 15. You can see in your screen, for your convenience, I have done multiplication with single digit at the right side of the slide. Now move to the tens digit of the multiplier, which is 2. First we add 0 at the unit column. Then we start multiply with 2. 2 5s are 10. We will write 0. 1 will be carry. 2 1s are 2 plus 1. We will write 3. 2 6 are 12. 2 1 will be carry. 2 2s are 4 plus 1 will be 5. 2 3s are 6 and 2 5s are 10. Be very careful, students, in writing these numbers in proper columns. Now add these numbers vertically and always keep remember that we start adding from the unit place. So we add the numbers. 5 plus 0 will give you 5. 4 plus 0 will be 4. 8 plus 3 will be 11. We will write 1. 1 will be carry. 7 plus 2. 9 plus 1 will be 10. We will write 0. 1 will be carry. 9 plus 5 will be 14. 9 plus 5 will be 14. Plus 1 will be 15. We will write 5. 1 will be carry. 6 plus 5 will be 11. Plus 1, 12. We will write 2. 1 will be carry. And 1 plus 0 will be 1. Plus 1 will be 2. And 1 as it is. So you have the number 12,250,145 and this answer or result is called product in multiplication. In the same way, we can multiply 6-digit number by 3-digit number. Means, in this example, you have multiplier of 3-digit number. We have to multiply 421,083 by the number 254. So we start the multiplication. First we write the number in the vertical form. Then we start the multiplication. We will start multiplication with 4 of multiply as 4 at the unit place. 4 3s are 12. We will write 2. 1 will be carry. 4 8s are 32. You will write plus 1. 33. You will write 3. 3 will be carry. 4 zeros are 0. Plus 3 will be 3. 4 1s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 4 4s are 16. Now multiply by tens digit of multiplier, which is 5. But first we add 0 at unit column. Then start multiplication with 5. 5 3s are 15, 5, 1 will be carry. 5 8s are 40 plus 1, 41. You will write 1, 4 will be carry. 5 zeros are 0 plus 4 will be 4. 5 1s are 5. 5 2s are 10. You will write 0, 1 will be carry. 5 4s are 20 plus 1, 21. Now multiplying with hundreds column. First we add 2 zeros at unit and hundred column, and then we start multiplication with 2. 2 3s are 6. 2 8s are 16. You will write 6. 1 will be carry. 2 zeros are 0 plus 1 will be 1. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 4s are 8. Now add all the numbers together vertically. Start always adding the numbers from the unit column. So we start adding the values. 2 plus 0 plus 0, it will give you 2. 3 plus 5 will be 8 plus 0 will be 8. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 6, 10. You will write 0, 1 will be carry. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 6 will be 14. 14 plus 1 will be 15. You will write 5, 1 will be carry. 8 plus 5 will be 13. Plus 1, 14. Plus 1, 15. You will write 5, 1 will be carry. 6 plus 2, 8. 6 plus 0 plus 2 will be 8. You will add the carry value 1. You will write 9. 1 plus 1 plus 4 means 2 plus 4 will be 6. And 2 plus 8 will give you 10. So this value is the product of multiplication. Always keep remember, when a number is multiplied by 1, the result remains the same. For example, if I multiply 67 by 1, the answer will be 67. And when a number is multiplied by 0, the result is 0. For example, if I multiply 56 multiplied with 0, the answer will be 0. Hopefully you have learned the concept of multiplication with 10, 100 and 1000, and also 6-digit multiplication. Now do practice of multiplication more and more with different numbers. Do question number 5, 9 and 11 as your homework. All the best.